This is the last week of the EAP. This term, we have done so many fun activities like Week of Welcome, Read the Raker, board games, and the funicular walk. We will make sure we bring this energy with us to the next term. And remember to keep following us on the Instagram at UAlberta EOS.
It's week 7, and our theme this week is campus wellness. Now, I know this is a very busy time of the term for you for getting ready for your final exam, but I want to let you know a few things. This is our last week of workshops, so come on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday and practice your skills. I also encourage you to look for ways to take care of yourself. So one of the things I like to do is sit on the second floor of Enterprise Square, enjoy the sunshine, and look at the living wall that's just behind me. Seeing the greenery just makes me so happy. Other thing I like is drinking a hot cup of tea. If you are a tea drinker, come down to the SEC and we'll give you this tea bag for free from Unity. So Unity is an organization on campus that matches volunteers with people who are just looking to book a tea time and spend some time in conversation, enjoying a cup of tea. So if you're interested, you can sign up for that online. If you need some extra support, I can help connect you with some of the other service on the U of A campus to take care of your physical and mental well-being.
This Friday, we are going to do a potluck party in the room AB at 11 a.m. So please bring some food to share with your friends. Everyone is invited. So if you are taking online, join us. We will play the final Kahoot Cup on this day, award a winner, and there will be a surprise award on this day too.
Thank you for an amazing term. We really appreciate your participation at the Student Engagement Center activities.
And we wish you good luck on your final exam, and we are looking forward to seeing you next term. And this was
Simon Says.